Today I want to give you 3 steps to becoming a better leader so you can become more effective, so you can become more inspiring. All right, let's dive in. Now, communication is the foundation of great leadership. So to be a better leader, you have to master the art of clear, consistent, and effective communication. And to do that, you need to be transparent. So you need to share your thoughts, your expectations, your feedback openly and honestly with your team. And this involves not only providing constructive criticism, but also celebrating their accomplishments and recognizing their work. You need to listen actively. You need to engage with your team members. You need to ask them open-ended questions and genuinely take their opinions into account. And you want to encourage a culture of that open dialogue where everyone feels comfortable sharing their ideas and concerns. If people don't feel comfortable sharing, talking, or standing up around you, raising their hand around you, then they're afraid of you. And that's not good leadership either. And then you want to adapt your style. So you want to recognize the different communication styles of your team members and then adjust your approach to ensure that everyone feels heard and understood. Now, this might involve using different channels of communications like email, phone calls, face-to-face meetings, whatever it is, depending on their preferences. And then you want to foster a feedback culture. So you want to encourage your team members to provide feedback to you and one another. This needs to be a whole culture. They need to feel comfortable. And this is going to create an environment where continuous learning and improvement is valued. All right, let's move on here to number 2, developing your emotional intelligence. And it's crucial for effective leadership. This is going to enable you to better understand and manage your own emotions, as well as empathize and support your team. So to do that, you need to practice self-awareness. So you want to reflect on your emotions, your strengths, your weaknesses, and do this regularly to gain a deeper understanding of yourself. And this can involve, journaling, meditation, or just simply taking the time for introspection. And you want to show empathy. So you want to put yourself in your team member's shoes, and you want to strive to understand their perspectives, their feelings, their needs, and this is going to help you build stronger relationships and foster a more supportive work environment. And then you want to manage conflict. So you need to address disagreements and conflicts constructively. And you need to focus on the issue at hand rather than making it personal. So you want to encourage open communication. You want to seek win-win solutions for everyone, and that's just going to benefit everybody who's involved. And then you want to develop emotional resilience. So you don't want to learn to bounce back from setbacks and challenges with a positive attitude. And this will not only help you navigate difficult situations, but it's also going to help you inspire your team members to do the same. All right, let's move on to one of my favorites, leading by example. So demonstrating the behaviors and values that you expect from your team is key to gaining their respect and trust. So some ways that you could do that are to work hard. Show your commitment and your dedication by being fully engaged in your work and consistently delivering results. This means staying organized, meeting deadlines, and going the extra mile when necessary. You also want to demonstrate integrity. You want to act ethically and honestly in all your transactions, both with your team and external stakeholders. And this includes, taking responsibility for your actions, admitting mistakes, and always doing the right thing. And then you want to support your team. You need to be available to help your team members when they need you, and you need to invest in their growth and their development. And you want to offer that mentorship. You need to be there for them to provide that learning opportunity and to create that environment where everyone feels encouraged to grow and succeed. So to recap here, the 3 things that you need to do to be a better leader are master the art of communication. So be transparent, listen, adapt your style, foster a feedback culture. Number 2, develop emotional intelligence. So you need to practice self-awareness, show empathy, manage conflict, and then develop emotional resilience. And then lastly, you need to lead by example. So you need to work hard, demonstrate integrity, support your team, foster innovation, creativity, and then just maintain a positive attitude, show appreciation and recognition for your team. And by incorporating these strategies into your leadership approach and continuously striving to improve, you are going to be well on your way to inspiring and motivating your team to be at their best, to always be at their best, to aim high. Remember, great leaders don't just manage their teams, they empower them and support them to reach new heights. All right, my friend, I hope you found this helpful. I normally don't do too much on leadership here, but I've had a lot of interest in people asking about, can you do stuff on management and leadership? Because I just got promoted to a new position. So if you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you have some ideas for other videos on this topic, leadership management, or whatever it is, put them in the comments below, and I'll see what I can do to get some content out for you on those subjects. All right, my friend, that's all I got for you. I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.